Hi, my name is Rana. Thanks for coming to our site. Now we're assuming that you landed on our website via online or received a marketing piece in the past few days via postcard, letter, door hanger. Am I right? First, I want to take a few minutes explaining who we are and what we do so you can formulate a decision on whether or not you want to take the next proactive step. My business partner and I have been buying real estate in the Tampa Bay area. We purchase properties that need a lot of work or some properties that just need carpet and paint. We can buy properties with all cash if you have built up equity, or by assuming existing liens or debts if you have zero equity. We can close in 7 days, and as always, we'll buy your property as is. Now, we think it's important for you to know our entire real estate philosophy is based on 3 simple words: seller must benefit. So my question to you is this: if you sell your house to us, or anyone else for that matter, and you don't improve your current situation, then why do it? The logical answer is you shouldn't. Look, we're going to make you an offer that makes us money, but we are also going to make sure that we improve, correct, or even solve your current situation if you have one. So now's the time to make a decision. You have 2 options to move forward. You can close the screen, forget you ever saw this video, and go on with the rest of your day. Or you can fill out the form and or call our dedicated phone number and tell us about your situation and your property. Either option is okay with us, but let me be clear, we are very interested in making an offer and buying your house, but only, and I mean only, if this will benefit you in a positive way with your current situation. So do me a favor, fill out the form and or call us and take the next step. In my humble opinion, you have nothing to lose and a possibility to gain a lot. Our names are Tim and Rana. Thanks again for coming to our website and watching this video, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Bye for now.